Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional live bonus video. So today's video is a little bit different, but you guys loved the last one I did, so I wanted to make sure to do another one for you guys. And this is a Dollar Tree haul, and I know you guys can see all my goodies on the table, so I'm really excited to show you all the things I've gotten over the last about 2 months with the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use some of these for tutorials. Some of these are other things that I bought for gifts for friends and things like that, and some are just really good craft supplies to keep around. So we're gonna get started, and keep in mind your Dollar Tree may not carry the same stuff that mine does, and yours probably carries more stuff than mine because I have kind of a small one locally. So let's get started, and the first thing I'm going to show you guys are these t-shirts that you can sometimes find at your Dollar Tree. So they come in a lot of different sizes. This is like a little 6-month t-shirt. We have like a light blue one. This one is a size 5'6", and these are the, let me check, they're a rabbit skin brand. They're really cute. I thought they were a good deal at $1. You will want to make sure that you check the quality of the t-shirt, because sometimes you'll have like an offset, like where one sleeve's smaller than the other, or they have a hole in them. But I got these for tutorials, but I also think they're a really good deal if you can find some good quality ones. And then this one is just a 6T. So I thought these were really nice for the price, and they're great so I could do some tutorials with them. And I just thought, you know, we would definitely want to keep those in stock. They always have floral, and they have different seasonal florals. So this is their spring summer, and this was the pansies, and I do plan on using these for a Christmas gift this year. But you get let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, you get 10 daisy or 10 pansies on this, so that's a really good deal. I got this little binder. This is actually for me. I'm going to use this to store some of my information in it, some stuff that I like to keep on hand. Again, only $1, and I can decorate it because it's plastic on the outside, so I can absolutely add some things to it, and it's really cute. And again, only $1. You can't beat a $1 binder. And just so you know, I'm just kind of putting them down here, so if you hear a bang, it's probably because I dropped it. So this is a little pencil pouch, which I also got to go with my binder, and it has the 3-ring holes and then just a little zipper pouch. But this is plastic. It's like I'm not really sure what I would call them, Tiro, but it's plasticky, so you can absolutely personalize this. And maybe we'll do a quick video on personalizing these little plastic pouches, because I got a couple different styles. I got this clear one, and this one is more of like a Ziploc zipper, where it's not like a toothy zipper. This is more of like a Ziploc zipper. But it's real cute. It's got polka dots on it. I thought that was great for $1. And then I actually got this one. This one has little stars in it. And again, these are plastic, so you can't use HTV on these, but these would be really fun to use the star crafts, especially like the metals would look really pretty on these. So I got these ones. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with them yet, but I'm really excited to play with those. And then I got these cool crayon holders, and these are going to be part of a Christmas gift. I'm going to put their names on these, and then they're going to have crayons inside of them, and they're going to have coloring books that go with it, so that they have a nice little fun toy that's inexpensive, because you can get crayons, especially even get Crayola crayons, for a pretty good price. And these were only $1 for the holders, and then you don't need much vinyl to decorate these. So these were great, and I just loved them. I just thought, what a cool idea, because it's plastic, so it's going to keep your crayons from breaking or anything like that, which is great for kids. And then I got this little pencil holder. This I'm going to use actually to hold some tools for my weeding and things like that, for the stuff that I don't keep on my desk, because we do have cats and they tend to steal my stuff. But it's just a plastic holder, and this you could absolutely personalize. It is got a little bit of bubbles on the top, but it's really cute and super easy to work with. So again, just plastic, nothing too crazy. I just thought this was funny. It's a little recycle can, and it's like tiny, but it's so funny. And it's on little wheels. I just thought this was super cute. And I'm actually going to decorate this and give this to a little girl for her Barbie dolls, because this is like a perfect Barbie doll size garbage can, I thought. And I just thought it would be really cute to kind of put the little Barbie logo on it and just have a little bit of fun playing with this. And I think she would get a kick out of it, because who knows, Barbie needs to throw away her trash too, ladies. I got one of these LED night lights, and it's clear square, which is super fun, and we're going to use some of the transparent glitters to make a cool design on this. These make wonderful sellers at like craft shows and stuff, but also really, really cool presents, and I just think they're really fun. So this is a really fun gift. I got this because I want to show you guys how to do some personalized bibs. And this is one of the bandana style bibs. So it's a little bit more like in trend right now. And it's just terry cloth, so it's going to be really easy to personalize. And you can easily just personalize this. And we will do one of those, which I'm really excited to show you guys. Great baby shower gift. Great, like, if you're going to go visit mom after she's had the baby. Super easy gift to do, and these always are needed. And they're really cute, so I just thought that was fun. Ours is now suddenly carrying these really cool, like, fabric quarters. And I'm going to open them so you guys can see them. At least I'm going to try to. They have, like, a sticker that has, like, that closes them, which, ugh, I should have opened them before I got on camera, but that's okay. But they're so fun. I'm, again, not 100% sure what I want to do with these yet, but these could be really fun for lots of different things. But look, they're little unicorns and rainbows, and I thought that was so fun. I got that one, and then they had a flamingo one, which let me see if I can do a quick reveal of the flamingos. Again, these are just fabric quarters. I don't know if it tells me. They are 20 by 21, so they're pretty small, but they're a pretty good deal for $1. This one is just white with some pink flamingos. So I just thought those were really fun, and a lot of people can use fabric quarters for lots of things, so I thought that was a great product to check out. I got these flip-flops because we're going to do a tutorial on flip-flops and adding HTV to them, but keep in mind, it's not going to last forever. It's just the nature of the flip-flop, but they are really fun, and you can actually use these to make wreaths and things. You get 2 flip-flops for $1. And so you could easily make a really cool wreath or a sign using these. So there's lots of options with the flip-flops. They have silicone mats for your kitchen. These are awesome if you're doing resin or epoxy on keychains because it will let the resin just not sit on your table. And once the resin dries, you can easily just crack it off by just kind of taking the mat and folding it around. And it just keeps your surface clean, which is nice. And I liked these. They're thin and they're small, so they don't take up a lot of space. 2 different kind of wreath blanks. I got a wire wreath blank. I believe this is like 15 inches, 14 inches. And then this one's clearly smaller. Don't ask me how big, but much smaller. And we're going to actually use this. You may actually already have seen the video for this, but we're going to use this to make a fall wreath using some of the fall stuff I got. So thought those were really cool. So that was like my first trip to the Dollar Tree. And then my second trip had more fall and Christmas. So let's do some fall stuff. So I got ribbon. You get 9 feet of ribbon for $1. I got 4 of them because I wasn't 100% sure how much ribbon it would take to go around that foam. I don't think it's going to take a ton, so we'll probably have some extra, but the nice thing is you can use this, as I throw it at myself, for a lot of different crafts. So super fun stuff. So we'll get that out of the way. And then I got these florals, and I thought these were really pretty. So I got some leaves. I'm not really sure what they are, but they're like red, spiny looking things. Some sunflowers, and then these purple, they look like Gerber daisies. And we're going to use those on our wreath, and they're just going to kind of make a nice little accent piece on our wreath. Again, only $1 for each stem, and you get like a lot in the stem. How cute are these? They're little pumpkin purses. Now these, I will be honest, did not come from the Dollar Tree, but I had to share them with you. So we have a little store called Marks, and I don't know if you guys know what a Marks is, but they have this section and it's a closeout section. I spent 10 cents a piece on these. So I can't wait to make the crafts with these, but these are actually originally from the Target Dollar Spot. So if you have them, awesome, we're gonna make some stuff with those. But I wanted to make sure to show you those because I thought they were really fun. So I've got some Christmas stuff in the way, so let me kind of go through. We have some just leaves. I think you get 50 pieces there, so there's 50 leaves in these little packages, and we are going to use those with this little vase, and we're going to make a really cool candle holder with this. So again, you can get a lot of cool stuff for like $1, because this whole craft is going to cost all about $2, so I can't complain with that, because I really doubt we're going to need all of the 50 pieces that came with that. I think that's a little excessive. I got foam shapes. So these are acorns. And I will say the only thing that I don't love, and I didn't notice this until now, is one of them. This one in the back has like the logo of like where they came from. The rest don't, thankfully. So it's really fine that it has it, I guess. But they are kind of thin. But they're really nice for $1. You get, I don't know, 12 of them. But yeah, this one's kind of a dud, so you really end up with 11, but still pretty good deal. Really cool stuff. I'm excited for these. So ours doesn't usually have these, and I was really happy to see they got them in. They got some wood shapes in, and I got this witch with the cauldron, and I may use a combo of like paint and vinyl on this to make this. I don't know if this one will end up being a tutorial, but if you want to see it, let me know in the comments. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do with this. I'm not great as a painter, but I think this could be really fun to use some of that green slime stuff, like bubbling out of her cauldron and things like that. So we'll see if I do something with that. But if you want to see the tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and I will absolutely see what I can do for you. I think this is our last fall item. Oh no, we still have one more. This is really cute. I thought this was fun. It's just an acorn and it's felt, but I thought it would be a nice, like, especially if you like us. So our door hangs too close to our screen doors, so we can't really hang anything that's a wreath or fat. So these are perfect for us. And I just thought it would be funny to put like "Welcome to the Nut House" or something cute like that on it. And for $1, it's really fun. And you can easily heat press on these. So super easy, fun thing to do. And then the last fall thing were these fall colored glitter packets. There's like a bright gold, a dark gold, a couple oranges, and a couple like browns. And these glitters are actually really nice. They're fine glitter. I got those, and then I got some containers to put them in because putting them in the baggies and trying to sprinkle them out is impossible. So you can get 6 little containers to go with your 6 little glitters for $1. I got a couple of those because I'm going to use these. I got some other glitter I bought and had in the last haul. So we need those for sure. Now we're on to some Christmas stuff with the exception of this little guy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him yet. I may turn him into a Lego box, but I also might just use him for some storage. But for $1, and I love the way it clips together really nicely, and the lid holds on pretty tight. So this would be a really good storage container, and for $1, you can't beat that. Now, Christmas stuff. Oh, Christmas stuff. Oh, and these little spritzy bottles. So you get a lotion type squeezy bottle, and then you get a spritz bottle in here, and I thought these would be good for using for things like your bleach shirts, or if you water down some paint, things like that. The squeezy bottles would be good for that, and you get 3 bottles for $1. So now we can officially get to Christmas, I hope. I lied. There's one more thing. So these are actually, I would call these Christmas because I'm going to use these for when I do glitter ornaments. They're just little squeeze bottles with the squeeze tip, and they're pretty soft, which is nice. And you can just put your polyacrylic in here and just easily squeeze it in instead of having to use a syringe. And they do seal, so it's really nice. It won't dry out, which I thought was pretty cool. I found these wood blanks. How fun are these? We're definitely going to do a tutorial with these. We're going to do a banner for my mantle with these, and we're going to do some vinyl on them, possibly paint them, maybe stain them. We'll see, but I think we are going to come up with something really cute. So you get 5 pieces in each of these, and I thought they were really, really fun. So those are really nice. And they do come with a little bit of twine because they could be ornaments, but I'm going to use them as a banner. Then we have these little felt trees, which these are going to be probably part of that banner, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. But you get 12 felt trees, so they're very similar to like those foamy ones. They're pretty thin, but they're very nice. They're the screen felt trees. A wood star. I thought this one was pretty good. They're very thin though, so you got to be careful. You don't want to like break them. But we just got this star. I thought he was fun for $1. So it was a good deal there. There is this felt gingerbread man. So he is actually a kit, and he comes with little felt pieces that you can use and stick to him and glue to him. But I want to make some more felt pieces for him because what we're going to do with him is turn him into like a plaything for kids because felt sticks to felt pretty easily. So what we're going to do is probably mount him on to like a piece of wood or maybe some dry erase board, something like that. And then we're going to cut out some shapes and things, and then kids can actually create their own gingerbread man over and over again. And I thought that was super fun. Dollar Tree is a great place to find ornaments. So I got these plastic ornaments. They have them every year. They have small ones, big ones, and a couple different like shaped ones. But I get these every year. These work really good for the polyacrylic with the glitter. They pretty much work for just about anything you want to do to them. They're really nice. And honestly, I think they're pretty good quality for $1 for 2. So stop spending a fortune at the craft stores because the Dollar Tree has lots of good stuff. These little gems I thought were pretty, and I'm not sure what we're doing with them yet, but I really liked them, and they were $1. And they are pre-sticky, so they have like a little sticker on the back. Those are really nice. They do have a couple of ornaments, and we're going to use these probably in some of our like wreaths and things for this holiday season. So there's this cute little owl, and he's fluffy and he's so soft, but I just loved him and thought he was adorable. These little hats are awesome if you're going to make the glitter snowman globes that I've done before. This little hat has some plaid on it and burlap, and I thought that was really fun. And then this little dude is so cute. It's just a little sleigh, and he's plastic, and he's nothing too fancy. And I mean, listen, it's not the highest quality. I'm going to have to fix like this little piece, but it was the best one I could find. But I thought this would be really cute, glued to some cute patterned paper and put into a Christmas, or into a picture frame. Thought he'd be really fun. And then I got these swirly twirly trees. They are metal, and then they have a little bell on the bottom. And these are going to be part of a wreath as well. I don't want to throw those on the ground because they'll get all tangled up into everything. So we'll put those to the side. And then I got these bows. These are actually going to be part of our banner. We're going to have one in the center and then one on either side of the banner. And I just thought these were really cute. You get 3 of them. They're glittery. They have a little gem in the center. They're very nice. You can get these cool bags of like decorative glitter balls is what they call this. And then this is faux snow, and it's kind of iridescent. This stuff gets up everywhere, so be prepared if you're going to use the faux snow that it legitimately gets everywhere. It sticks to everything. So have a vacuum cleaner ready. I also got these little figures. I guess they're little action figures. I got Patrick from SpongeBob and Chase from Paw Patrol. You can tell I don't have kids. And then we have this snow globe ornament, and we are going to teach you guys how to put together a snow globe ornament using these little figures, and it's going to be a really fun tutorial. Super easy to do, and just about everybody can do it. And it's easy because these just unscrew at the bottom, and you can see they're pretty big inside, and they're cheap. They're $1. I saw ones just like this at Michael's today. They were almost identical. The only difference with theirs was they didn't have, their cap was metal, which I don't care. The plastic cap looks fine, and they wanted $2 for theirs. So keep that in mind. If you really want a metal lid, fine, go to Michael's, spend the $2, but the plastic lid looks just fine, and it was only $1. So you cannot beat that. So we did really well at Dollar Tree the last couple of months, finding a lot of really great stuff that we can use to craft with. I hope you guys had fun seeing all the fun things I got at my Dollar Trees, and I would love to see what you guys get from yours and what you come up with making your Dollar Tree crafts. So go to my Facebook page, which is Cricut Help with Corinne Blackstone. I will link it below, and I'm always happy to have you guys on my group. We're going to be doing a lot of fun crafts over the next couple of weeks, over the next couple of months, because Christmas is coming. Hope you guys had a wonderful time, and happy crafting.